Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Uphold features for beginners. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're just trying out with Uphold, a few features makes the platform super easy to learn and beginner friendly. First is the clean, simple interface. Everything from buying crypto to check balance feels straightforward, which make it ideal if you are new to trading. Upholds anything to anything swap are another huge win because you can trade crypto, fiat, or even metal in a single tap without needing a complicated conversion. And since ACH deposit and standard withdrawal are free, beginner can move money in and out without worrying about the fee right away. You also get access to autopilot, which is Uphold recurring buy features, which lets you invest small amount automatically and avoid stressing over timing the market. Plus, the platform supports a wide range of coin and even fiat currencies, giving beginner rooms to explore without switching apps. So in my opinion, I think Uphold keeps the learning curve low with easy control, flexible swap, and fee-friendly banking. A smooth start for anyone entering the crypto market. So if you find this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick breakdown, and drop a comment on which beginner topics you want next about Uphold. And that's it.